Action.
Hi, I'm Jimmy, and today I got
Show the movie.
reviewing Troll vs. the Volcano, a fine and dewy fable, witty and beautiful. That's a one with Tom Hanks and McGuire fall in love in Troll vs. the Volcano. It stars written and directed by Moose Stark and Camille Award winner Patrick Sainey. This first teaming of the period stars of Sleepless Seattle and you got Mill follows the follies of a Stratton guy played by Hanks and Dan Trump, who is told he has a terminal quote-unquote brain cloud. A Sandy Chilliel, played by Lloyd Bridges, then makes him an offer that gives him a taste of the good life. In exchange, he must journey to a Pacific island and leap into a volcano. Is so doomed to be less of the Red Hot lovers, not in the forces of imagination, romantic comedy, and the top of writing in 3 words, as the women in Troll's life have their way. Bonus features include behind the scenes documentary and Eric Butler's 60 Tons music video.
Thumbs up or thumbs
For
down?
some.
Say goodnight, Jeremy.
Good night.